Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful email template in Canva and then use it seamlessly with Mailchimp. Whether you're a business owner trying to level up your email style or someone who simply wants a polished newsletter, you're about to learn exactly how to design, export, and import your own custom email template. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva. If you're new to it, don't worry. Canva is a beginner-friendly design platform that makes creating professional-looking graphics incredibly easy. Once you're on the homepage, start your design either from scratch with a blank canvas or pick one of Canva's pre-made email or newsletter style templates. Templates can speed things up, especially when you need a structure that already includes sections for headlines, images, and calls to action. As you begin designing, think about your brand or personal style. Add your colors, logo, fonts, and any visual elements that define your identity. Consider the tone of your newsletter as well. Do you want something playful and colorful or clean and professional? Arrange your elements, adjust spacing, and preview the layout as you go to make sure everything feels balanced and visually appealing. When your design looks just the way you want, it's time to download it. Click the share button in the top corner and choose the download option. For most newsletter images, PNG or JPG works perfectly because the quality stays high while keeping the file size manageable. If your design includes clickable links you want your readers to use, download it as a PDF instead. You can try both formats later to see which fits your email layout best. Once your file is saved to your computer, switch over to Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp dashboard and head into the section where you create your campaigns or newsletters. Start a new email and select the option that lets you design it. Inside the Mailchimp editor, you'll see different blocks you can drag onto your layout, but the one we need is the image block. Drag an image block into your email and click on it. Choose the upload option and locate the Canva file you saved earlier. Upload it, and once it appears, adjust its size or positioning so it fits your email perfectly. If anything looks off, maybe the text is too small or the spacing doesn't feel right, simply go back into Canva, make adjustments, export again, and re-upload. You can refine your design as many times as you want until it looks perfect. Now your Canva template is officially inside your Mailchimp email. From here, you can add text blocks, buttons, links, or any Mailchimp features you need to complete your message. When everything looks great, your newsletter is ready to send. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to create a custom email template in Canva and bring it into Mailchimp, combining creativity with powerful email marketing tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Happy designing!